Yeah.
Alright, all eyes.
Okay, so we're searching.
So,
there, straight, dead ahead.
Okay.
Yo, Willem. Dead ahead, in that thicket.
Well, right here.
So keep to the right, go to the right hand side of the boma, further to the south, more towards the main road.
Okay. Oh, they're right
I
here.
haven't got eyes on them yet. There, in that thicket over there.
Right.
God, how do you see that?
So,
years of training. So Paul, you will nominate which cow it is.
You won't miss it, it's the one with the collar on.
She's got a collar.
Yeah,
still.
we're replacing that one, yeah.
I still haven't got eyes.
So let's just check, there's a public vehicle here somewhere.
Your stuff
Right
switched
here.
on.
So let them pass.
Okay.
And if we move, James and Willem, if we work with them and they come this way, into this vlakte, there's quite a few roads and open spaces and so on, which gives us good area of maneuverability for the ground crews and everyone that can come in. You see here around the bomas and things, it's nice and open. If they move into the gorge or up onto the plateau, we're going to struggle. So it would be beneficial if we can, if they get pushed towards this side where we are now. Can you see them, James?
No.
There. In the valley that comes from
okay,
the
I got them, yes.
They got there.
Okay, so now which way do you want to push it? That way or this way?
This way.
Okay, fine. Sorry, I was not paying attention there.
Obviously there's fences and things around here, but they know the area quite well. The guests have passed, and if they go into the deep valley, then we're going to struggle. So we need to keep them out of this hut here.
Yeah. Okay.
They'll probably go towards the western side of the dam. That's where they feel safe. Right, there they are.
Okay, they're in a lekker deep wormer hier so. So I need to just, I'm also going to be a little bit downwind, which I'm not so happy about right now.
So we can, James, we can dart upwind and then turn them afterwards.
Okay.
See that?
No problem.
Willem, you've got eyes on the one.
I'm not going to be able to do this downwind now. I want to turn them round. Where's the girl with the...
There on the right.
I got her. Okay, that's much better. Okay. There, she's in front.
There's the tyres already off. It's lying there.
Oh, she goes through the bushes, yeah.
Did you see the tyre? He's dropped it off, eh? He's gone.
Placing it now.
Yeah, he's gone.
Left behind.
He left it there. He's toying.
Okay, Willem.
Overshoot. Have to go around.
Okay.
No, the tyre's wet, eh? He's
Okay.
That's a better.
Okay, there's a better spot here.
Yeah.
She's in front there.
Slower. Slow down.
Okay. Alright, let's move forward and up. So I don't want them to turn into... Yeah, thanks James. And we can now give them a nice...
Okay. Now I'll just sit here. They're now drifting back that way.